Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from our weekly spot. We are back at CVS. Happy New Year to you. We are about to get started with some really awesome deals for 2023. So you guys know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to jump right into these deals and we're going to get started with an unadvertised deal, I think. First deal we're going to be grabbing is on the CarMax. So this deal is spend 10, get back 3. And I'm going to be grabbing these babies because I want to add them in with a percentage off coupon. I have a 25% this week off of my entire purchase. And we have rebates on these. So we have a couple different Ibotta rebates available. You can get the minis or you can grab these right here. We have 75 cents back on Ibotta. So I'm going to grab a total of 4 of them. I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta for 75 cents each. Let me show you my breakdown. All right, you guys. So we're going to pick up a total of 4 of these. I don't have any manufacturer coupons that will apply, but we do have that 25% off coupon. So with a 25%, I'm going to end up paying $8.97 at the register. I'm going to pay that out of pocket, but then I am going to get back $3 in extra bucks, and I am also going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $3 in cash back. Gonna make my final cost for all 4 of these just $2.97 or 74 cents each. This next deal I'm not gonna do because I have so many face masks is on the Burt's Bees face mask. So these are buy 2, get back $4 in extra bucks this week. Anyone can do this deal with no coupons needed. Pick up 2 of them, that'll total you up to $6.38. Then you're gonna get back $4 in extra bucks. Makes your final cost $1.19 a piece. Next thing I'm going to be grabbing is the Oral-B Indicator toothbrush, another easy newbie friendly deal that anyone can do. So you want to grab one of these for $5.59. They are buy 1, get back $3 in extra bucks this week. We have a $2 digital coupon that will apply, leaving you to pay just $3.59. Then you'll get back $3 in extra bucks, making your final cost just 59 cents for 2 toothbrushes. I'm actually going to add this in with my 25% off coupon since it is full price. I will pay $2.69 and then get back $3, making them free plus a small money maker. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my first little transaction right here. We're going to get the 4 CarMax and I'm going to get the Oral-B. I'm going to be using the 25%. I'm going to do this by itself because I'm using that percentage off coupon, so I won't be able to use my extra bucks. So let's see how this deal goes. All right, you guys, so let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there is everything that we got. We got the 4 CarMax and we got the Oral-B double pack toothbrushes. I used the $2 digital for the Oral-B plus a 25% coupon for the total transaction that took off $3.89. Then I did get back $3 for each deal, so $6 in extra bucks total, and I submitted over to Ibotta for another $3 in cash back. So we paid out $11.66 and then we got back $9. That transaction with these 5 items cost us $2.66. This next deal I'm not going to grab this week, but is another easy newbie friendly deal if you need it. Is on the Colgate. So these are buy 2, get back $3 in extra bucks this week. You can grab the Max Fresh. These will total you up to $6.98 when you pick up 2. Use the $2 digital coupon on one of them and then submit back to the coupons app for $2 for the second one, or you can also submit back to Alexa. At the register, you're going to pay $4.98. You're going to get back $3 in extra bucks and you're going to submit back for $2. Going to make your final cost completely free for 2 toothpaste. Next thing we're going to get into is the spend 30, get 10. I'm going to start out by grabbing some Vitafusion vitamins because we have a $10 and a $2 digital coupon that I think will double dip and come off. So these are pretty pricey at my store. We don't have any of the cheaper ones. So I'm going to get one that is $15.49 and then I'm also going to get one that's $14.49. To complete my spend 30, I'm going to be getting one of these Zarbee's Daily Immune Support for Children. So these are $10.49. We have a $3 digital coupon and we also have a $4 rebate on Ibotta. All right, you guys, so here is our all digital spend 30 deal. We got this for $15.49. This one is going to be 50% off, like $7.25. This one is $10.49. Our total is going to be $33.23. We have a $3 digital here, and then we have $12 in digitals that will double dip and come off there. That is going to leave us to pay just $18.23 at the register. So we're going to pay out the $18.23. Then we are going to get back a $10 extra buck. So that's going to be $10 back. We're going to get back $4 on Ibotta for the Zarbees, and we're going to get back $5 on Ibotta for the Vitafusion. That makes all three of these babies not only free, but a 77-cent moneymaker. If your store carries the Revlon Emery boards, these are $4.19 at my location. At some locations, they're just $3.99. You can pick up 2 of them for $7.98. If they're $3.99, use the $4 CVS coupon that we have, and then you'd pay just $4 and you'd get back $5 for buying 2 this. Next deal up, another easy deal on the Garnier products. So I'm going to be grabbing 2 of these charcoal cleansers. These are $7.29. Buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 of them will total you up to $10.93. Now I was hoping I was going to get a double dip on these with the $2 digital and the $5 paper coupon, but the way that it rang out, only the $5 off of 2 paper coupon applied that came out today. So that will leave you to pay $5.93, then get back $5, makes it 93 cents for 2 of these cleansers. All right, you guys, so this is my next transaction. I'm just gonna get the spend 30 deal with the vitamins, and we're also gonna get our Garnier facial care. Let's go up to the front and see how this deal works out.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so.
All right, you guys, so that worked out almost how I expected it to. I did have 1 digital. The Garnier did not double dip like I was expecting. Because of how it rang out on my receipt, it rang out for like $7.29, and then the other one rang out for $0. So I didn't get a double dip there, and I'm not sure if it's because my cashier had accidentally scanned an extra one and then he went back and voided one. So that may have been why I didn't get the double dip there. I'm not sure, but I just went on ahead and rolled with it, and that left my subtotal at $16.65. I rolled in $10 in extra bucks, and I used an 8 off of 40. So we paid out $16.65, and then I did get back $15 in extra bucks. That already made the transaction $1.65. But then we submitted over to Ibotta as well. That made this baby a $7.35 moneymaker. The Polygrip travel size is a nice, easy deal with no coupons required. And I did this deal online to make it a little bit cheaper for me. But these are $2.79 each. So 2 of them will total you up to $5.78. So you want to pay the $5.78, you'll get back the $5 in extra bucks. It makes these just 39 cents each. Now I added these in with a 32% off. I ended up paying like $3.93, and then I got back $5, made these a $1 moneymaker with that percentage off coupon. The Garden of Life vitamins are on a monthly promotion where if you buy one, you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. The stress relief vitamins are $16.99. I used a 32% off coupon on this since it's full price, and that brings it down to $11.55. So you want to pay $11.55, and then you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. Makes it just $1.55. This was a little bit cheaper for me because I also used a vitamin CRT, so I ended up paying $10 and then getting back $10, but with no additional vitamin CRT required, it's still a great deal just using a percentage off coupon. So here's my online pickup order that I did. I got the 2 Polygrip and the Garden of Life vitamins. After my coupons, my 32% off, I ended up paying $3.93 for the Polygrip, so that was a $1 moneymaker. And then I paid $10.19 for the Garden of Life vitamins. Now, when you're using a percentage off coupon online, you can also pay with your extra bucks. So I was able to use $14 in extra bucks, and then I got back $15 for this deal, making it a $1 moneymaker. But if I was doing this deal in store, I would not want to use my extra bucks to pay, because the amount that my percentage off coupon would deduct would be the amount that was left after my extra bucks were applied. But online it works a little bit differently, so it comes out a little bit cheaper. So I paid almost nothing, 12 cents for this order, and then I got back the 15. Next that we're gonna do is on the OGX. So before I tell you about the OGX, I wanna tell you about the rebates that we have now on OGX and other Johnson & Johnson products. So the first one is this brand new buy 3 get 10 on select OGX products. So this is a brand new Activate Rewards rebate. So you can buy 3 participating OGX products and submit back for a $10 Visa card or whatever reward you want to get from the program. But this is really, really awesome. This week, the OGX is also buy 2, get back $4 in extra bucks. So we got a really good situation going on. I'm gonna stack this deal with a 5 off of 20 shampoo CRT that I have. We also have a general Johnson & Johnson Activate Rewards rebate that just started as well. So this one is either spend 20 get 5 or spend 30 get 10. It includes Listerine, it includes Aveeno, Johnson & Johnson, all of those typical Activate Rewards products. I will have all of the links and information to both of these rebates on couponwithstar.com so that you guys can review the details. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up a total of 3 of these OGX biotin and collagen, and these are buy 2 get back 4, and then let me show you the breakdown. All right, you guys, so these 3 are going to total me up to $21.52. I do have a 1-day expired printable coupon that I found in my stash for $2 off, so I'm going to use one of those, and then I'm also going to be using that 5 off of 20 hair care coupon, so that's going to bring me down to a total of $14.52 at the register. So we're going to pay out that $14.52, then we're going to get back $4 in extra bucks, and we're going to submit for $10 in cash back. Gonna make our final cost just 52 cents for all 3 of these, which is a definite stock up price for OGX. All right, you guys, so next thing I'm gonna do is this Scott deal. We're gonna do the Scott paper towels. You can also do the Cottonelle if you want to. It's also included in this promotion, but I need to get stocked up on some paper towels. So we're gonna be grabbing 4 of these. It's another easy newbie friendly deal that anyone can do. 4 of these, no coupons needed. That's going to total you up to $20. Then you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks for picking up 4 or spending 20. You're going to make your final cost for 4 packs of paper towels only $15 or $3.75 per pack, with no coupons needed. And then of course you can scan over to Fetch Rewards to see if you get any additional points back. I don't think I have any active offers, but $3.75 is not a bad price for these. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go up and check out with my next couple transactions. I'm gonna do the vitamins again on a separate card. Since the spend 30 is limit 1 per card, I'm gonna do that separately. And then I'm also gonna do the OGX and the Scott on one deal. So here are my 2 receipts for those transactions. Here's the vitamins. Those came out to be a $2.40 moneymaker. I paid out $16.60, and then we got back $10 in extra bucks and $9 on Ibotta. And then for the paper towels, I paid out $33.47 in extra bucks, and then I got back $9 in extra bucks, and we're getting back $10 for the OGX. So the paper towels cost us $14.47 along with the OGX. Next deal I grabbed was on the Kotex liners. These are not on an extra care buck promotion, but they're a pretty good deal after rebates. So I grabbed 2 of the liners for $8. Then we have a $1.30 printable coupon on the Kotex website, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital. So with both of those coupons double dipping and coming off, at the register you're left to pay $3.70, but then you want to submit over to Ibotta for $2 in cash back, and you can submit over to Fetch Rewards for $1.50. Makes your final cost just 20 cents or 10 cents per box. This next sale I grabbed was on the Clairol because I had a free hair color CRT. You will only have these coupons for free hair color if you buy a certain number of hair color. After I think you buy 7 or 8 of them, you get one for free. So since I purchased so many of these, I do have this coupon. So I wanted to go ahead and use it for a small money maker this week. So the Clairol is buy 2, get back $3 in extra bucks. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that did double dip with the 5 off of 2 paper coupon in today's inserts. So you can pick up 2 of them for $16.98. The $10 in coupon savings will apply, plus the $6.98 will come off for the free hair color CRT. You'll pay $0 out of pocket, then get back $3 in extra bucks. Makes 2 of these an easy $3 moneymaker if you have that coupon. All right, you guys, so let me show you the receipt for my last transaction. There is the 2 U by Kotex. There is the 2 Clairol. I have the $5 paper coupon for the Clairol, the $1.30 for the Kotex. I've got double dips on both of those digitals. And then the free box of hair color took off $6.98. That left me to pay $3.70 out of pocket. And then I did get back $3 in extra bucks. So that already made this only cost 70 cents for those 4 items. But then I also submitted over to the rebate apps. I got back $1.60 from Fetch Rewards, and I got back $2 from Ibotta. Made those 4 items not only free, but a $2.90 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so we are done with our CVS haul for this week, and I think we had a pretty good week, pretty quick in and out. Everything came up to about $2.10 if I did my math right, which is pretty good for me considering everything that we got. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.